In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform's dynamic Textbox widget. This powerful feature offers flexibility and functionality for your forms, allowing users to dynamically add more text fields as needed. So let's dive into the steps to seamlessly integrate this into your forms and enhance user interaction. First, head over to jotform.com and log into your account using your credentials. It's important to ensure you're logged in so you have access to your forms and can make the necessary changes or add-ons. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Forms section. This is where you'll find all your existing forms, and it's the central hub for managing and editing them. Next, open the form you want to work on in the Jotform form builder. This is your workspace where you can add, remove, or modify any elements in your form. At the top left of the screen, click on the Add Element button, which is represented by a plus sign. This will open a panel with various form elements you can add to your form. Now, navigate to the Widgets section. Widgets are special elements that offer additional functionality and customization beyond the standard form fields. In the search bar within the Widget section, type in Dynamic Textbox and select it from the list of options. Once you've selected the Dynamic Textbox widget, you'll need to drag this widget onto the form to the location where you want users to have the option to add additional text boxes. Simply click and hold the widget, then drag it to your desired spot on the form. Release the mouse button to drop it into place. After placing the widget, you can customize its appearance and behavior. The settings panel will allow you to make adjustments such as setting limits on how many text boxes a user can add, labeling the boxes, or changing their styles to match your form's design. Finally, it's always a good idea to preview your form to see how these dynamic text boxes function. In preview mode, you can test how easily users can add and remove text boxes. This step ensures that your form looks and operates exactly how you want before you share it with your audience. And there you have it, a dynamic and interactive form ready to gather data in a more flexible way. Remember, incorporating dynamic elements can greatly enhance user experience, making your forms not just a tool for data collection, but an engaging part of your interaction with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy form building.